platform 3 will be the 807 Watergardens, stopping all stations to Watergardens except South Kensington via Flinders Street. Your next service to depart from platform 3 will be the 807 Watergardens, stopping all stations to Watergardens except South Kensington via Flinders Street. And always remember to touch on your myki at the start of your journey.
Morning and welcome to Parliament Station. Train now arriving on platform 3 is your 807 Watergardens service. Please remain well behind that yellow safety line until the train comes to a complete stop.